Master Cylinder Inspection. Inspection points. Assembly. Clean all the parts thoroughly. Air blow and dry all the parts with compressed air. Thoroughly blow all the narrow passages and holes. For the ABS model, check that the valve stem in the piston moves smoothly. Replace the parts specified to do so according to the shop manual. Apply a thin coat of brake fluid to the whole inside area of the master cylinder. Coat the circumference of the cups of primary piston with brake fluid and install it into the master cylinder. For the ABS model, be careful of the direction of the slot in the piston to align with the stop pin hole. Coat the circumference of the secondary piston cup with brake fluid. Apply the recommended seal grease to the rod part of the secondary piston. Install the secondary piston into the master cylinder. Align the slot in the primary piston with the stop pinhole by pushing the secondary piston in and install the stop pin. Install the circlip. Install the grommets on the reservoir union. Install the reservoir union to the master cylinder. Install the seal to the tank cap. Install the strainer to the reservoir tank and install the cap. Assemble the reservoir tank, hoses, and master cylinder. The directions of the hoses are specified. Align the marks on the hoses with the marks on the hose joints and install them to the joints. The directions of the hose clamps on the reservoir tank side are specified too. Refer to the shop manual for the specifications.